Developers should not worry about AI for several practical and strategic reasons. AI changes how software is built, not whether developers are needed. 1. AI is a tool, not an autonomous engineer. AI systems generate code, suggest fixes, and automate repetitive tasks, but they do not understand business context, user intent, legal constraints, or long-term architectural trade-offs. Developers remain responsible for system design and architecture, translating business requirements into technical solutions, making judgment calls under uncertainty. AI accelerates execution. It does not replace accountability. 2. Software complexity is increasing, not decreasing as businesses digitize more operations. Systems become more distributed, regulated, and integrated. This increases demand for developers who can design scalability, secure architectures, integrate AI outputs into real systems, debug complex, multi-service environments. AI reduces boilerplate work but exposes higher-level problems that still require human expertise. 3. Human skills remain non-automatable. Key developer competencies are not easily replicated by AI: problem framing and requirement clarification, trade-off analysis, performance versus cost versus risk, communication with stakeholders, ethical and regulatory decision-making. These are core to professional software engineering and remain human-led. 4. AI increases developer productivity and value. Historically, tools that increase productivity, IDEs, frameworks, cloud platforms, have not reduced developer demand, they increased it. AI follows the same pattern: faster prototyping, reduced time on repetitive coding, more focus on design, quality, and innovation. Developers who leverage AI become more valuable, not obsolete. 5. AI still requires developers to build, maintain, and govern it. AI systems themselves depend on developers for model integration and deployment, data pipelines and infrastructure, monitoring, evaluation, and bias mitigation, security and compliance. Without developers, AI cannot function in production environments. 6. Responsibility cannot be delegated to AI. Organizations cannot hold AI legally or ethically accountable. Developers and engineering teams remain responsible for failures and outages, security breaches, incorrect or harmful behavior. This guarantees an ongoing need for skilled professionals. Bottom line: AI will eliminate low-value tasks, not developers. The role is evolving from writing code line by line to designing systems, guiding AI outputs, and solving higher-order problems. Developers who adapt and learn to work with AI will be in stronger positions than before.